What's up, y'all? Once again, you're tuned in to the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Realm team, if you didn't tune in to Super Chat Live this past Saturday at 8 o'clock, I need you to make sure that you don't miss it this week. Every Saturday evening, Standard Eastern Time, United States of America, folks. Tune in at 8 o'clock. If you're on the other side of the world, download a world clock of what the time will be in the United States at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Okay, so I need you to tune in. It's very important. I need you to do me a favor. I need you to make sure you share at least one video. If these videos are helping you and it's helped changing your life, do me a favor by simply just sharing that knowledge with some of your friends in your country. You know, let's get other people, on board, something that will help change their life too. You know what I'm saying? This is how you get abundance in return, because once you give, you receive. Once upon a time, when I got into this whole manifestation thing, I was manifesting things, or what I thought I was manifesting things. I didn't really know that I was manifesting things because I was still kind of like unconscious of the whole manifestation process. Then I started to read more, and I started to learn more, and I started to watch other people's YouTube videos, and I started to, try to implement it more in my life by like being humble, cool, calm, and collective. Like I was like, I was doing all kind of things, praying with my hands like that and all that stuff, and I really didn't know the technique on how to manifest things really super fast. And so fast forward on down the road, my journey, I came across something called the VORTEX, and it was by this guy named Abraham Hicks. Some of you probably heard of him. Speak up, let your voice be heard if you have heard, the VORTEX by Abraham Hicks. So the universe was confirming to me what was going to happen for me in the future. So I was just reading this vortex stuff, and I'm like, dang, so you mean to tell me like as soon as you think something, manifestations can come like right after that? No way, that is unreal. And this is after, I've worked myself into just believing in the manifestations that are real. And I'm gonna tell you some more information about like coming into believing how super fast manifestations work too. But anyway, so once I read over all that stuff, I learned more about vortex, this vortex manifestation stuff, and I'm just like, okay, whatever. I just want what I want, and I want it now. I got to a point where I started to actually see it happen for myself. It happened even just yesterday. I was like on my cell phone, right? I was on my cell phone. Now listen, folks, I was on my cell phone like you are all the time. And I thought a thought, right? I thought a thought. And the thought that I was thinking was a negative thought. This negative thought was a problem that I have from time to time. It's not nothing like an addiction or something crazy or anything like that. But it's just a negative thought that I've been thinking for the past couple of weeks, right? Listen, right? So instantly after that, it's like the answer to that thought manifested, in an article on my phone. I don't know what I clicked, I don't know what I did on my phone, but it's like this article popped up and it had the answer to the very thought that I was thinking that was negative. And I'm reading the title, the caption, I'm like, wow. And it's like instantly my light bulb came on to say, this is the manifestation for the thought that you were just thinking, which was negative. And I'm just like, wow, that was a vortex super fast manifestation. That was a manifestation right there. And that's not the first time that's happened, folks. I've had this happen several times, but I just couldn't catch it fast enough to realize that it was super fast manifestation. See, they happen so fast, folks, that it's like sometimes you miss it. And so, one way to manifest things super fast is you got to be able to let go and receive. Once upon a time, you used to think that it takes days to manifest things. Once upon a time, you used to think that, you gotta do the you gotta do all this conjuring up and stuff to manifest something. Once upon a time, you used to think you gotta perform a ritual, like you gotta do some real crazy stuff in order to get the universe to bless you with your manifestation. But that's not true, folks. That's not always true. Put it like that. That's not always true. If you can just let go of the fact that you don't have to work hard to receive a manifestation super fast, then manifestations are gonna come to you super fast. You just gotta let it go. Like right now, folks. Right now in this very moment. Listen, tune in now. Listen. Right now in this very moment, I need you to let go of the fact that manifestations take a long time to manifest. Come on. I'm gonna say that again. Right now, you do not believe that it take a long time to manifest things because they happen super fast now, right? You agree with me on that, right? You believe that, right? You receive that, right? Thumbs up right now below in the bottom left hand of this video to confirm that super manifestations are able to happen for you. Okay, so what this does is it helps you accept the fact that you can receive super fast manifestations, like snap fast manifestations. Now it's like when you want something and you are in non-resistance to receiving it, now somewhere in the back of your occipital mind, you know what I'm saying, you believe that it can happen instantly. It can happen right now. I'm gonna get it right now. Like when you're laying in the bed, listen to your affirmations, your binaural beats, and you listen to like money affirmations or something. No longer do you think that it takes days for you to manifest this money now. Now it's like in the back of your mind, you just waiting on somebody to knock on the door. Here's your check. You know, and when you're thinking like that, you're thinking like you're supposed to think, folks, because you got the power to. I mean, ye are gods. I mean, we have the universe inside of us. There's no way in hell we should be waiting on anything to manifest for us, because if we speak it, then it should be done unto you. Another thing, folks, that you have to keep in mind in order to have super fast manifestations is you have to be in the present moment. This is how I realized those super fast manifestations. I wasn't thinking about anything in the future. Like your mind can start tricking you. You'll start thinking about stuff that's way in the future that you have no control over. Or like, I know most of you females, you can, come on now, you can admit, you think about so much things in the past. Like you think about the ex, or you think about, you know, your boyfriends, and is he gonna call you? And your mind will try to like pollute you of the moment. I mean, you have to stop thinking like that. Everybody, you know what I mean? And so when you center yourself, like right now, I'm centering myself. I'm looking at the camera. I know all my furniture is in my house and stuff like that. I have my lights right here, lights everywhere. You know, got my candles and stuff over here. You know, da da da. I'm in the moment right now, and I'm just really in the moment right now. I'm not thinking about the future right now, and so I'm just really noticing everything around me. So my mind is not polluted with, you know, what I'm gonna say like 5 minutes from now, if I even talk 5 minutes from now, or you know what happened like 2 minutes ago or nothing like that, because I'm in the moment right now. You see what I'm saying? So you have to like stay present. You have to guard your mind by being in the moment. In order to guard your mind from thinking outside thoughts other than the moment, you have to just pay attention to the moment. You have to pay attention to the moment. You know, another thing you got to be able to do is you got to be able to let go of your cell phone. I can't stress this enough, folks, because it's about inner focus, inner focus. So times throughout your day, when for instance, when your phone goes dead, put your phone on a charger and let it get a full charge, folks. You'll be surprised how in the present moment you will become just because you don't have your cell phone in your hand. You know what I mean? That's what I do. That's my cell phone on the charger right now while I'm doing my thing. You know what I mean? Because I'm in the moment right now. You know what I mean? I'm not worried about who calling me, texting me right now. They're going to be there when I get done with this. So you got to do the same thing. Make sure that you just put your phone on the charger, let that laptop charge up, and just be in a moment and do things. Get hands-on again, folks. Get physical, touch stuff, color, draw, be a kid, you know what I'm saying? And so this is another way you can manifest things super duper fast. Sometimes the manifestation be like right there, but you never knew it was right there because you probably was on your cell phone, or you was thinking about Johnny texting you, if he's gonna text you back or not. I mean, a lot of us are like occupied with outside things other than the moment, and then we miss the manifestations. All right, last but not least, a way to attract and manifest super fast manifestations is, okay, when you get a manifestation, always act normal as though it's something that happens for you normally. Once they get a manifestation, it's like, oh yeah, praise the Lord, yeah, Jesus, yeah, this is good, yeah. And people just go crazy, like they don't deserve it on a regular basis. You know what I'm saying? And so when you do that, when you get like super duper excited like that, you know what I mean? What you're saying is, I wasn't worthy enough to receive it in the first place. You know what I mean? So you have to have like a humbleness about yourself, or you have to have like a level of, you know, humility. You know, you have to kind of be like vulnerable about it. Like, okay, I got it. Okay, and continue on my life, doing my thing, because I get this on a regular. Super fast manifestations come to me on a regular because I'm a queen. You know, I'm a king. You know what I mean? It just come to me regular. People bring me cheese. Like Would you like some cheese? I mean, they do that every day. You know what I mean? They want to make sure that I'm fed. They want to make sure that I'm well nourished. I am who I am. You feel me? You got to start thinking like that. Like, you got to start thinking like this ain't nothing to me. I just get it. When manifestations comes, you got to stop looking at it as like, oh, it's the law of attraction. This is the law of attraction. It's working. Go post the status. Oh, I manifested this. I got that. I got this. How did I receive the law of attraction? Or how did I receive the manifestation? Like, you got to stop looking up the thing that you already know. You got to stop trying to find people to confirm to you the thing that you so shall deserve already. So you got to receive it and just treat it as something normal. All this law of attraction stuff that I'm teaching you folks, you got to start seeing it as just the way you are. And then you will notice like super fast manifestations just happen for you regularly. Okay, trust me, I know. I do this, folks. I do this. I see this happening all the time. And it's really, really real. If this message resonated with you folks, give me a thumbs up at the bottom in the left-hand corner. But yeah, if you want to do some self-help, self-development behind the scenes, check out one of the ebooks below. I got Trenders Transcendence and I got Matrix of Mind Reality. Or if you want to talk to me personally, just visit the website www.deliverrim.org and just sign up for a consultation or just become a gold member and I'll talk to you on the gold membership. It doesn't matter. Anyway, folks, I'll see you in the next 24 hours.